Quick events can be stacked. So a single button on your Protrack screen can action multiple events. To stack quick events, log into MINDA Live, click on the Protrack button, then go to the Quick Events tab. Now this page lists all the quick events we have set up already. For this demo, I want to add a draft after this carving event. To do that, click Edit. Here's a summary of that carving event. Now I want to add an event after, so add an event. It's a draft one-off, so I select draft one-off. I now select the direction of the draft, left. I want it to happen in the future, 2 days. I want this to happen in the AM. Can the user change the info in the sheet? If I click yes, the Protrack user will be prompted in the shed which way they want the draft to go. They can override our left draft with right. I'm going to leave it no. This way they're not asked about the direction and it will automatically go left. Name the schedule. This is a good idea as this is the name attached to this draft schedule. Carved, check. Next, here's a summary of the 2 events, carving and the draft one-off. I now have the ability to add another event. In this case, I'm finished, so I'm going to click Done. Now we can see this carving event as a carving and a draft one-off.